What is good, YouTube? Finally back at you guys with another video. You can see Electra Glide still on the lift. A little bit more progress since the last time I've seen her. Got the new progressive suspension on, powder coated sliders on, and I got my calipers back from powder coat. Give you guys a sneak peek on the color. So it will have something to do with the paint scheme I'm going with on this bike. Got something else for her going on the rears. Shout out my boy Coop on these. These come off of his bike. He, I guess, upgraded or swapped out to air suspension on his Road King Revival. So bought these off of him. Sold the progressives on the rear on this bike. Chugging along. Unfortunately, haven't been able to wrench on her as much as I'd like here recently due to work being crazy. Put a lot of hours in lately. A lot of 7-day weeks. We'll go ahead and put these on the back. So I have been doing a couple things on here. I just haven't been recording. Old brake lines. Swap them out to the stainless braided. You can see them there. So out with the old trash. I gotta clean up over here too. It's a mess, but yeah, let's get the other shock on. Legend suspension on the rear. Done. Still a lot to do. Gotta take this off, take that wheel off, take that fender off. Definitely got some things done, but for sure got a lot more to go. Then I did want to show you guys this. So apparently all the touring models, the suspension will fit from a 99 to a 23. I did not know that. And after some research, kind of figured that out. Got a couple installs going on today. Did the Legend suspension, put the new bolts in there, cleaned up a little bit. Front brake lines. Now let's get this party started, and we're putting on front fairing mount on this bike. If you've been keeping up, you know that this is a 02 Electra Glide that I am converting into essentially a 02 Road Glide. This is the Road Glide fairing bracket that I am sliding into place here. If anyone's wondering, this is a TCMT bracket. All the hardware and stuff, bolts. Got the bracket on. It's the radio caddy up front. Not running a radio caddy. Not running a radio on this bike, but we are putting that radio caddy so I could mount the amp. Let's check it out. Bracket in. Ran a wire through here, out through here. This is loose because we got to put the inner fairing in, and then this radio caddy on after. But the bolts and everything came in the bracket, and all this here will go in here. More wires. Clean this front end up a little bit better, or wrap these so they ain't just sticking out. But we'll get some of this material here. Wrap that there. This is gonna run these through here for the amp, and this one I'll probably take off because that's for the rear speaker. I don't think I'm gonna run any rear speakers. But I guess let me mount this fairing on here, the inner fairing, and just see how it'll look. Just transferring wires from location to location. So then that goes there. Boom. There we go. You guys then we go caddy, radio caddy here. Front end coming together a little bit, but check it out. Gotta adjust these here, but it's coming together. Wrap it up for the day here. No, I forgot. These are inner fairing brackets, so the fairing doesn't vibrate on the road. I think these go here. Just like so. There you go. So mounts in there, so that bracket comes down, wraps around the fairing. You mount here, and it'll keep it from vibrating. Honestly, I might not run this, as I saw another one that you can. It'll go from here to the crash bar, and I heard that one is a lot better than this one. Oh, and that popped off. I didn't tighten it enough, but you get the gist of it. Yep. All right, and that's pretty much it for inner fairing. Now I gotta start getting gauges mounted. Like I said, I was gonna wrap these here, these wires here, clean it up a little bit better, so we ain't looking all crazy right there, but it's a cockpit view there. Yeah. Starting to come along, man. Starting to come along. I don't even know if these open. Do they open? Oh yeah, I guess they do open. Outer fairing here. I'm gonna just test fit it, but I'm not gonna mount it because it's going to paint. But front end is almost back together, ladies and gentlemen. Almost. And we're gonna be working our way back. New air cleaner getting installed, new exhaust getting installed. Tank coming off, going to paint, fender coming off. Might be going to paint, might not. We'll see. But quick little video, Saturday morning, got in the garage, got the wrench a little bit. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Catch you on the next one.